Greetings from Washington, D.C. This is Peter Thomas, the General Counsel of NAAOP. This week, the NAAOP announced in conjunction with the other members of the Orthotic and Prosthetic Alliance, including the Academy of Orthotists and Prosthetists, AOPA, ABC, and DOC, a joint statement, a consensus statement around direct-to-consumer delivery of orthotic and prosthetic care, custom orthotic and prosthetic care. The statement does not really address the issue of off-the-shelf orthotics. Direct-to-consumer delivery of custom O&P care is a problem, and we've made several recommendations and statements that we have all come together to release this week in conjunction with each other. These models tend to be characterized by a heavy reliance on virtual casting, measurement, even fitting of prosthetic orthotic care, delivery by mail, and ultimately can even be provided outside of the healthcare provider paradigm. In other words, no physician involvement, certainly no certified or licensed orthotic or prosthetic practitioner involvement, and sometimes no therapist involvement as well. It's commoditizing prosthetic and orthotic care to the point where we felt we needed to say something and make a very clear message, send a clear message to the field about this trend. Ultimately, we believe there are a series of recommendations that we'd like to share with the field and with other aspects of the healthcare continuum to ensure that people understand where we are with respect to this issue. So, for instance, we feel that it is critical for the patient and the clinician, the O&P practitioner, certified and licensed, to have a meaningful relationship, person-to-person relationship, in order for quality, safe, and effective care to be provided to patients. We reject the direct-to-consumer delivery model for custom orthotic and prosthetic care. We do not reject technology. Technology is embraced by the 5 organizations of the Alliance. We strongly believe that increases and advances in technology has served this field well, and the profession continues to evolve, and technology will be a central part of that. But technology does not supplant or replace the clinician and patient relationship. The certified and licensed O&P clinician is absolutely paramount and critical to quality orthotic and prosthetic care. And writ large, so is the physician and other members of the rehabilitation or healthcare team. O&P care is a medical service, and it must be provided as such. It should not be commoditized. It should not be something that arrives, especially when it's custom orthotics and prosthetics, that arrives in the mail and simply transfers the burden onto the patient to assist with all of the functions of preparation, measurement, fitting, and trying to negotiate how to use and effectively ultimately take advantage of the orthotic or prosthetic care that is delivered. Third, we really believe that third-party payers should not reimburse for direct-to-consumer delivered custom orthotic and prosthetic care. That's a pretty strong statement, but we believe it strongly. The clinician must be involved. And finally, we encourage states, especially those with licensure acts, to strongly enforce those licensure laws to ensure that when a practitioner is involved in is required to be involved in the care provided, that various companies around the country and around the world do not subvert those licensure laws. We ask you to read the statement that we've put out. It's linked on the NAAOP website. We hope that we hear from you with your reactions, and would be happy to talk further about this statement and what it means for the future of the provision of care to O&P patients. Thanks so much.